Say hello to John and Martha. They've lived big all their lives. Got married, raised a family in a big house. Now their home is worth big bucks. Sounds great, right? Well, truth is, their big home has become a bit of a maintenance headache, especially now that the kids have moved out, and their income will be cut when they retire. That's why John and Martha are getting ready to make a move. They're downsizing their maintenance and upscaling their life. They're selling their big maintenance home and heading to Summerset Place, Chatham-Kent, Ontario's newest neighborhood, located in the town's most prestigious subdivision, Prestantia. The weather here is the mildest in Canada. They'll be just an hour from 3 major U.S. border crossings and big city entertainment. They'll also have access to great shopping, community facilities. World-class fishing and beaches will be just 30 minutes or less from their front door. And here's the best part. The semi-detached homes in Summerset Place start at just $309,000. Yeah, that's right, just $309,000. So John and Martha are going to pocket what they save after their move and use it to help finance their retirement. Their new home was built by locally renowned builders Trevor Mayu and Gilles Michaud. Those guys are all about quality, and the homes, well, they can be customized. John and Martha picked out the flooring they wanted and even ordered premium 9-foot ceilings in their lower level. It's upscale all the way, no compromises. Right now, you can save even more during construction by buying direct from the builders before the homes are listed to the public. If all this appeals to you too, if you would like to learn more, call 519-350-6625. or visit maplecityhomes.ca. Better homes, better deal, better life. That's Summerset Place by Maple City Homes. Your future is here.